Hello guys. Here with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make emergency light. Let's begin. I'm using broken display. Guys, you can use any display. Just we need sheets of display. Remember, we need last 2 sheets of display. Fold both sheets in cylindrical shape. I have made 2 of them. Use any super glue to stick it out. In my case I'm having top bond. Here I am using 3000 mAh 3.7 volt lithium battery. Do not remove battery circuit. It's help the battery to over discharge, short circuit. This is the cover of AC LED bulb which we use nowadays in every home. Sticks it to the battery using glue. To charge the battery use TP4056 battery charger circuit. Stick it using double-sided tape. Be sure the polarity of battery terminal. Solder TP4056 directly to the battery terminals. I'm using cycle spoke to place LED light. I drilled 2 holes to the cover of LED light. Glue the cycle spoke nuts to the cover. I'm using 2x 3.7 volts LED lights. Stick LED to the cycle spoke. Make holes to pass the wires. 1 more to place switch. Remove extra plastic. Now solder the wires to LED lights. And screw the spokes to the cover. Insert wires in the holes. Connect 2 LEDs in parallel. Now stick the cylindrical shape sheets to the spokes using glue. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notification.